Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. Just a quick follow-up video to the video from last night about getting ready for the 30% off Doyle sale at Harbor Freight today on September 29th, 2025. So I just wanted to kind of go over the, what I ended up purchasing, kind of what I saw there. So, they were actually very, very fully stocked. I'm going to try to insert a picture here, just kind of showing, what it was when I got there. And I didn't get there till about 11:30, my time. So they'd already been open for a couple of hours. So they're definitely, well prepared for this sale, at least the location near me. And then, there'll probably be some overstock left over for the upcoming parking lot sale. Although I am glad I did go, it was nice and quiet. I didn't have to rush through a bunch of people. And ultimately, I paid maybe $2-3 more than I would have if I would have waited for the parking lot sale because I got 30% off versus 35. But I also picked up a few other tools that weren't included in the parking lot sale. One of which was actually recommended by one of my commenters, this Hawkbill flip knife. I've never had one of these before. I've had kind of the Hawkbill, X-Acto type knives before, but not this one specifically. This one looks like it would be great to open up these type of packages. So, I'll, play around with that, maybe do a review of that a little bit later. But I was able to basically pick up everything that I was looking for today, which was nice. The main three things that I went in for today, like I mentioned yesterday, were the things that are over $20 from Doyle. And then I did pick up a few things that were under 20 just because they happened to be in stock and I wasn't fighting through any kind of crowd. So the main thing I wanted was going to be this 10-inch, kind of the Cobra inspired pliers from Doyle. I already have the 8 and the 12-inch version of these. I also have the actual Cobras, but I decided to pick these up as well. Pretty good deal at a 30% off. Also wanted a pair of their lineman's pliers as well. They have two different versions of these. They have the one with the crimpers here at the bottom, and they have one with the fish tape puller. I almost never need a fish tape puller, so I decided to go with these. Plus, I have other pliers, lineman's pliers I can use for that, in the future. Other real kind of main thing, because I've been looking at this thing for a while, is their heavy-duty pliers that come with a couple of demolition pliers as well. I have their smaller set that just comes with one Phillips and one slotted, but I just wanted to pick up kind of a more comprehensive set. Plus, these ones, you can put a wrench on the shafts of the actual screwdrivers themselves for a little bit of extra leverage, which is kind of nice. Picked up their conduit fitting screwdriver as well. This is kind of a newer pickup. Just kind of wanted to play around with this guy and check it out. Again, this might be something I might do a video on in the future. Just saw these guys. This was more of a impulse. Saw these little needle nose right here, and they look like they would be kind of interesting. I don't really have anything that looks specific to these, so I thought I'd give these a shot. And then same thing, hammer wise, I don't have one of these style hammers. I do have some I have a lot of hammers, but as far as these the cross peen hammer that has this kind of profile on the front, I don't have anything like that. I do have a lot of like mini sledges and stuff like that, but this one looked like it would be pretty kind of robust, so decided to add it to the collection. So tell me, what do you guys think about the selection of what I bought? There did a lot of great other things that I kind of showcased yesterday, but I already own it, and I don't necessarily need to buy, duplicates of a lot of things. And again, just wanted to kind of do a quick video just showing you they got a lot of stuff in stock. It's definitely a great time to go buy, and especially if you don't want to have to worry about, waking up early and getting there on a Monday for their parking lot sale, which I usually end up doing anyways. But now I can focus maybe on some of the higher priced items, maybe the Icon pliers, Icon screwdrivers, things like that, if I decide to pick up some more of those. But now I'm kind of fully stocked when it comes to Doyle. So today was a good day, got all this stuff, and then as a quick teaser, I also finally got this guy right here, the new Easy, the Cobra ES. These are the 180s. Been waiting forever for these, so I'm going to do definitely a review on that later today or tomorrow. So please leave a comment down below. Again, what do you think of the selection of what I got? What would you pick up? And then are you willing to kind of wait just to save that extra 5% for the parking lot sale coming up here in a week or so? So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.